In North Carolina, an unreasonable number of repair attempts is often a task for a jury to decide as the finder of fact. A great jury may say that just a few visits for a few weeks is unreasonable. Or, as I have seen, a jury can come back and say that even 9 repair attempts is not wholly unreasonable. However, in North Carolina, if the same nonconformity has been presented for repairs 4 or more times, or has been out of service at least 20 business days during a 1-year period of the warranty, there is a presumption that the attempts by the manufacturer have elevated to an unreasonable number.